Dear valuable customers, Honda brings you the opportunity to protect your two-wheeler with warranty extension up to 10 years, including standard warranty period through to products. First is extended warranty and other is two-wheeler industry unique benchmarking initiative. That is new launch Extended Warranty Plus. Extended warranty enrollment period is within 0 to 90 days of vehicle purchase. Extended Warranty Plus can be enrolled within a flexible time period of 91 days to 9th year of vehicle age from the date of vehicle purchase. Extended warranty is applicable after 3 years of standard warranty for BS6 vehicles and is available in 4 options. Extended Warranty Plus is two-wheeler industry benchmarking initiative to provide warranty benefits to customers. Unique initiative offers peace of mind to customers with warranty coverage up to 10 years and other valuable benefits. Applicable for both scooter and motorcycle. Features of Extended Warranty Plus includes major parts covered at minimum cost, reliable and genuine Honda parts, transferable in case of change of ownership, validity across India, service by expert Honda technicians. Here are Extended Warranty Plus all features at a glance. Extended Warranty Plus benefits includes wide coverage of parts under warranty up to 10 years, policy renewal option available, highest service standards followed, enhances resale value of your two-wheeler, peace of mind as applicable anywhere in India. Here are Extended Warranty Plus all benefits at a glance. There are 3 products available under Extended Warranty Plus program. Product 1 is for customers with vehicle age from 91 days up to 7th year vehicle age, wherein EW Plus period coverage is 3 years and 36,000 kilometers. Product 2 is for customers with vehicle age of 8 years from purchase date, wherein EW Plus period coverage is 2 years and up to 24,000 kilometers. Product 3 is for customers with vehicle age of 9 years from purchase date, wherein EW Plus period coverage is for 1 year and up to 12,000 kilometers. Here are all Extended Warranty Plus products at a glance. Extended Warranty Plus product will be available after standard warranty or extended warranty period is over. Case 1 BS6 vehicle. If the customer enrolls under Extended Warranty Plus program during 2nd year of vehicle age, then Extended Warranty Plus policy period will be applicable after standard warranty. That is from 4th year till 6th year. In this case, customer can further extend the warranty period up to 10th year by enrolling under multiple products at same time. Case 2. BS4 vehicle. If a BS4 vehicle customer having extended warranty of 3 years enrolls under Extended Warranty Plus program during 7th year of vehicle age, then Extended Warranty Plus policy period will be applicable from 7th year till 9th year. In this case, customer can further extend the warranty period up to 10th year by enrolling under multiple products at same time. Extended Warranty Plus can be enrolled within a flexible time period of 91 days to 9th year of vehicle age from the date of vehicle purchase. For more details, contact your nearest Honda dealer or visit Honda Corporate website.